Well,
I got a mic check, boys. Copy. 10-4. Thank you.
You have 3 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
Alright guys, good luck.
yeah, good luck.
Remember Doug and Brad, as long as you don't hear either of y'all two, then it doesn't pertain to y'all.
Yeah, damn, I meant to move us. I didn't think about it.
We'll be alright.
Yeah.
Keep seeing camera flashes up in the stands. It's pretty damn cool.
Look, Mom, I'm on TV.
Nice smooth day today, guys. We do have some more weather coming, so we're going to be on our toes. Be ready with the tents and umbrellas and whatever else we may need. Everything shakes the way it is right now. You're going to be on the outside. Closed. All right, we need to be behind the 20.
Damn, where are they at? Way up there, huh?
You'll line up behind the 20.
Hell yeah, they already through 3.
Yeah, I laned
Big
in
deep
and
breath,
take
but
off.
nice and smooth here. Have some fun.
We got Jason Williams in here with us.
All right, boss man, get ready. Have a great day. Have fun. Green.
Damn. Give me lap.
I jerked the damn wheel a little bit. It's fine. I get it out of my system already. I guess got wrecked. I'm done.
Inside
No.
only.
Damn.
Yep.
42.
Freaking dude hit the freaking wall, man.
Looks clear, clear, clear.
Stupid ass. Brad, I'm kind of backing out up and get it out of the system.
33.2.
I
4.
might be stuck back here.
.164.
Damn.
Inside. Still inside. Clear
Boom,
low.
on those feet.
.194.
Yeah, at least he did apologize.
never had my damn tailgate pushed clean up past it.
.982. Outside. Still outside. Still outside. Clear high.
Damn, you almost came down on me.
Me too.
32.911. Outside. Still outside. Still outside. Clear high. .081. Outside. Still there outside. Still out there. Clear. .166. You will have a caution. Record. Pit road is closed. Come in, you'll be behind the 25.
Hold the brake, guys.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 25.
I'm sorry, whoever I came up on. My spotter said clear.
Pace car, middle and back.
Come on, fellas, we gotta get caught up here.
Pit road is open. Pit road is open, I'm gonna walk on somebody.
What do you think, Brad?
Alright, we need to be behind the 25.
Go ahead, 29. All of the field.
Gotta get the pit road.
Yeah, definitely that. I guess if they go in, they're taking tires. Damn, they all went in.
Yeah, I'm taking
Come in, you'll be behind the 11.
Damn!
You'll line up behind the 11.
Rick.
Start looking for your sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Damn, James T-boned him.
Oh, I seen that.
Hey, Timmy, I like my pit board.
Go, 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 go.
Tempo.
I can see that thing.
Damn, Phil.
Watch
Just
out.
think, you know,
got it.
if you didn't let him pass, he didn't let you pass, it could have been you.
Yep.
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the 24.
It could have been. Like I said, he moved up, let me go by.
Alright, we need to be behind the 25.
Just stay down, Brad, and let that 24 come out.
Mine's not saying to let him by now.
Okay.
Lining up behind the
Yeah, it is.
24.
Checking up on the
You'll be
front
lining up
stretcher,
behind the
boys.
24.
24, where you at?
Alright, looks like you're going to be lining up behind the
Are you
25.
driving that through, Brad, or you want to stick it out here and see what happens?
Oh, I'm sticking it out. Let's not give up any track position. No.
Yeah, that's a hell of a fight to get past them.
We
Yeah.
passed a bunch of fools.
Yeah, you're right.
97, 96.
'99, '98. We ran 10 laps.
About 13.
I was 98, 97.
Everybody else pitted and took tires. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they took tires because they all come out with me. So I think I made up a little ground on pit road though.
We did.
No, same position. I'm 12.
Or we made up ground with all the wrecked cars, didn't we, Greg?
Yeah.
One to go.
Yeah, we were like 20,
We're on the bottom.
I went like 22nd to 16th.
Line up behind the 24. 1 minute 18.509.
Hell.
Yeah, James. I think he pretty much knew he didn't have nothing for me, so he kind of let me go on by because I don't really in from like 4 or 5 seconds back. Michael Skinner. Ain't that a race name?
There is a Skinner family in
yeah.
NASCAR, yeah.
Yeah, but the driver's name is Mike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unless he changed it in here.
Mike,
Well, he's got to
Michael
be.
R.
I heard him talking. I don't think that's the same one.
He had to be 60ish by now, wasn't he?
Oh, yeah, he's my age. Yeah.
Oh, he's too old to race.
Make sure you got all your levers and
Damn
switches
years.
where you need them.
That's a good one.
You know I'm kidding.
I'm going to go back to fix and just hang out.
All right,
Some of them
pace
old
cars
guys
off
and,
here.
you
Green
can-
flag. Everybody's rolling. You're doing a fine job. Don't
I'm
start
come in
panicking
at
up.
Carolina and jerk you out of the chat.
1 minute 14.67 outside. Still there outside.
I've tried to fix it
Go
a
out there,
little
man.
bit.
Yeah, I know, man. That's
Still there.
People
Door
just don't like
outside.
driving things. Plus the sets up.
Still out there.
Then you got the ones in there that's all they do. It's super
Clear high.
fast.
Outside.
Damn, he must have blowed his
Right,
shit out
clear,
his
clear,
game.
clear.
He's
He
doing
will.
it. Oh,
Oh yeah, he's close.
34.
well, that's two. You're
3,
just
2.
getting
Outside.
2 spots back.
Still out there. Outside is clear.
Ain't but 12 laps down.
Outside. Still outside. 32.935. Still outside. You're outside if you want it.
man, I just let them go. I should have stayed in front of them.
.893. .895.
I kind of give it back to him, Brad.
Be good. Run your race.
33.018. Outside, outside. Still there, door outside. Still out there. 33.067. Clear, clear, clear. Inside quarter. Still there. Clear, clear, clear. 33.254. .987. .679.
I made it to camp.
Working the outside. Still outside. 33.737. Still outside. Clear high. Outside. Still out there. Clear high. .29 outside. Still outside. Clear high, clear high. .275. Slate of wood to him. Outside. Clear high, clear high. .938. Outside. Clear. Outside.
Hunting dog on the prowl. P8.
33.994. Still outside. Still out there. Clear high, clear high.
That's where I'm running, and I can't get past the few cars in front of me. They're racing side by side. Damn it.
$33.485. $33.442.
Come on, 25. Don't come down on me.
$33.531. $33.53. $33.62. Outside, 33.813, clear. $34.207. Outside. Still there. Still outside. Still outside. Still out there. 34.031. Still outside. Clear high. 33.908.
Damn it. Well, they keep on wrecking. Help me out a little bit.
Car is a lap down ahead of us.
Rolling of it, buddy. Keep it up.
2-7.
Outside.
I'm 6, running
Clear.
around.
34.02.
Yeah.
And the leaders are just in front of them. I'm running them down too.
Yeah, I was catching everybody. I was fixing to make an attempt at 5th or at 6th, and then the caution come out.
.051.
Damn. "15 laps down and gets the lucky dog."
Oh shit!
That's sad, ain't it?
Wow.
.031.
Damn, somebody wrecked on pit road? There's a lot of
I don't know.
smoke out of here.
I have no clue. It was behind me, I guess.
Doing a great job, buddy. Just a
Now
little
we can
past
make it the rest
halfway.
of the way.
Make sure you're
I'd
getting
love to
something
see
to
it go
drink.
green.
34.255.
Right now I'm looking at 61 points. Already.
How much?
61.
There you go. Damn, I needed these damn one good shot at getting some damn good points.
Alright. I'm just thankful at the moment. Went in 7th, come out 7th.
34.206. Inside. Clear, clear, clear.
Tire wear was 86.90.
Yeah, this damn thing's
34.264.
balanced perfect, you know?
Dude.
I remember last year when he was working with that. Was he working with Rockler? Is that who he was working
Rocket.
with? Rocket. Yeah, Rocket. He put out that damn set in the hill, and that thing was a rocket ship.
This might be a version of that, huh?
You know, they said that iRacing has put on put a halt on them guys promoting their sets and all. You know, on their platform, on iRacing's platform. I noticed they ain't been throwing up. Get your sets here and here
Right.
and here.
Maybe I don't need to say too much then. A while ago somebody's like, man, I can't, you know, everybody got it set up. I said, check Reaper Speed Labs.
34.231.
It's on the truck, that's enough. Damn, I'm ahead of Marcelo? Wow.
Well, 26 now.
.237.
My bad.
.189. Inside. You're clear, clear. Inside, inside. Clear, clear, clear. .289.
Well, that's the first time I've got loose. Dude was right up on my bumper, and I about lost it.
.388. Inside.
Brad, I was thinking about
Still
waiting
inside.
until the leader goes.
Move up.
I'm in with that. Can we see the leader?
Well, the number 2 car, 3rd place car just fitted.
34.259. Doing a great job, bud. Great and smooth. Doing awesome. A really good job, man. Doing a really good job. Hard and smooth.
And I seen that smoke, I thought we might be getting the car.
I'm hitting 10.
34.388.
Track's getting a little slick up here, just a little bit.
Outside. 34.678. Clear. Good on lap times there. Doing a good job.
Brad, let's go next time.
34.612. Inside. That's it. Let's get him.
This
Clear.
lap
He
or
needed.
next? You going now or next lap?
We'll go next lap.
Could have been bad,
Leader
man.
pit road.
Alright,
looking for
Doug,
your
I heard
sign.
him hit pit road. I had a chance. I'm in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Go, go, go! Leader, pit road.
Be mindful, you only have one set of tires remaining.
.084. Inside. Clear, clear, clear.
Oh, I was spun, bro.
33.46. Inside. Still there. Still there.
You didn't wreck out, so collect yourself. You good?
I'm good. I'm
Clear
coming.
him. Clear. .354. Slow on the bottom. Inside, you're gonna have to call it. Still there. Clear low. .781.
Damn it.
Outside. At your door, outside. Clear.
Oh, where's Marcelo going? Wreck in the field?
33.111.
Nice block, Adrian.
.9. Inside.
94.
Still there at your door.
Sorry about that, Fitz.
Still inside. 33.015. Still, baby, one at a time. Still there. Inside is clear. Keep after, baby. I need 20 solid laps.
Stayed out.
I hope not.
Yeah, the dive truck did.
Outside, outside. Clear outside.
Everybody else pitted. He stayed out.
'He's not locked down. I don't see him on my list anywhere. In the top. Oh, never mind, yeah.
No, he's showing at
stayed out.
number 1. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He might pit this time. You know I am, because I ain't gonna get no teeny bit.
Yeah, also gonna go grind it in.
Outside.
Yeah, I just wanted to get it finished.
Clear
I
high.
lost one spot pit road.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No more ties.
I got one set at 8 half.
Right. I wish you could give them to me, because then if we have another caution, it'd be the perfect time to put them on when everybody else got none. I got a top 5 truck. I'm going to go green. I made it up to 7th, and then a caution come out. And then on the restarts, you guys are getting a good restart on now, lose 1 or 2. But then they drive it real hard too, and I don't drive it as hard as they do, so they kind of, I just sit in line for a minute, and also they start falling off, and I start reeling them in quick.
It's definitely a long run set.
That it is.
I think you
And
gotta
you
watch
drive it
it.
hard.
I think you gotta worry about the P1, 2, 3. They all 3 stayed out. The top 3, I think.
Guess they're hoping on another caution.
Doug, I can let you borrow it. Need it, buddy.
33.03.
How about going into 3?
Will we take it?
Yes.
I'll loosen up a little bit.
Inside.
They're careful on the restarts.
Still inside. You're clear.
Yeah, I know. I was running around. Lost it coming off 4. I gathered it up. I lost a lot of time.
33.585.
Shit, you just passed me, you turkey. That makes me feel good, huh? Go get him, dude.
I was leading when we pitted. Once they pitted and started cycling, I cleaned out back what it did.
Alright, let's get fast here.
33.519.
That JD Baker got really bad. We pitted like lap 38. He's up there, so we're going to catch him in a minute, take that spot.
33.34.
That 25 car pitted before we did. He's on the radar now.
$33.558. Outside.
Damn it! Another caution.
Oh my
Clear.
God. Oh shit.
Damn it! I didn't want to see that. But oh well, I made my way from 10th to
33.539.
6th.
Alright, man, 10 to go. Let's see what you can get it.
The whole freaking track was black.
So I hope we have time to catch these guys.
We're gonna get to 6th and 5th if we're lucky here.
You know, if you hold your breath, the truck will go fast.
I've been trying that.
33.
Is that the leaders up there that got tangled up, Phil?
Leslie were back behind me. We done passed all the guys that stayed out.
Two car here, he's kind of slow.
They're probably gonna pit now and look at that last set of tires and try to do it from the back. Because you know anybody else got tires, so they're not gonna pit.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not. Like I said, I'll be happy finishing right here in 6th place.
Brad, you wanna go?
You
I'll
lead
be
us.
happy.
Keep it up.
33.703.
Where you gonna gain right there? 67?
What it looks like at the moment. I ain't
There you
saying
go.
I ain't gaining shit till it's over.
There you go. There you go.
I ain't counting no chickens yet.
That's right.
They were tight right here a while ago. Everybody was trying to get past them slow ones, and they were 3 and 4 wide. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to hold my ground, trying to keep everybody behind me running me over. Luckily, most of them seen that and kind of
33.793.
lazy back a little bit. Thank goodness. Because once we single file out, I'll start pulling away from the guys behind me. Catching the ones in front of me. We just have to give it a second to single file out.
He knows you're coming. Outside. 33.892. Still outside. Still out there.
They're not
Clear.
moving that push 3 off right there. Why would he do that?
Back in your groove. You got this. I'm not gonna push you.
That long cost me time. I know how.
34.099. 5
How
laps
many
to
more
go.
laps
Nice
y'all
and
got
smooth.
there?
Need to get that 25 truck, Doug. He's a total asshole.
Yeah, I'm letting him down. You got 5 laps.
He's gonna block like hell. Be ready. Hell, he was blocking with 40 to go.
Yeah, if I catch it.
Yeah, you should. Run your line.
34.195.
I figured Luis would have went and took tires. He didn't. Guess he figured he better sit up here and stay and keep what he can get.
.091.
These guys finna be going hard now.
Yeah, buddy.
Gonna be 2 laps to go.
Damn, I messed up.
I was wondering if you're looking at the relative.
Missed my
34.235.
Turn that relative off.
Yeah, turn it off.
Coming at a white flag this time. .104.
That's what's up, though. Dave, nice one. Thank you.
Yeah, nice job, Dave. That should have been us up there at least in the top 5.
Good race, winner.
Check a flag in the hand out here.
Nice race, Dave. Good win, buddy.
Brother, man, you drove your ass off today.
Thanks,
We'll
guys.
get next week.
Appreciate it.
Fucking Dave
That's coming for you, buddy.
Dave Matson wins a bunch of races.
Yeah, I know you was, brother. I was tighter than hell right there on that run.
Yeah, I seen you pushing up. Oh, maybe I could get you, but I couldn't. I messed up a couple corners. Good running.
Yeah, good race, though.
Yeah, that Dave, yeah.
88.90 on that last run, Doug. What about you?
Damn, I was